Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A soggy evening, and here is an update. This updated today by our friends that are watching that drought. The drought monitor showing the reds here have expanded now into the Devil's Lake Basin. The drought is worsening there and increasing also in parts of the northern Red River Valley. This does not take into account the rain that has fallen in the last 24 hours in the Southern Valley and the Lakes country, and market improvement is going on there with 1 to 3 inches of rain falling. But as we head into next week, Sunday night is when things get started with a little bit of rain shower activity. Look at this. The places where the drought is the worst, particularly north of Highway 200 here. Chance for some rain all day Monday that will mix with and change over to snow as we go into the deep hours of Monday afternoon and evening. That snow band moves south a little bit and will continue into our Tuesday morning. There will be some accumulation. At this point, it looks like the best chance will be north, including those of you in some pretty rough and tumble drought conditions in the Devil's Lake Basin and points west. Several inches. Many models do agree that this could be a big snow maker, so we've hoisted the first alert weather day for Monday and Tuesday. Really, it's Monday into Tuesday morning. By afternoon, it looks like this system will be on its way out. For now, look at this. Grand Forks with wet streets out there. Some much needed rain in the Grand Forks County area has now shifted off all the way into the western reaches of Grand Forks County. So a trace to a half of an inch where you see the blues. And then as we go into eastern South Dakota, the Southern Valley, on up into eastern Polk County, 1 to 3 inches of rain. That includes Grant at Otter Tail counties as well, where we did get some reports of upwards of 4 inches of rainfall totals. Things are quieting down in the Red River Valley as the rain is pushed off to the east, and we're starting to see a decrease in aerial coverage down south. And a lot of the heavier rain up north is slowly advancing off to the west. So as we take you in a little bit closer, heavier rain out by the Lisbon and Rutland areas. This extends into western parts of Cass County and eastern Barnes County now for the Valley City area points east. Mayville up to Grand Forks and all the way through the Grafton Park River area, getting some much needed moisture. Right now out at Hector, we have a temperature of 42 degrees. The wind's still out of the north at 13 miles per hour. It's a soggy day with Moorhead also in the mid 40s. 39 Valley City, 41 in the Langdon area, 45 for Fergus Falls. So the warmer air out to the south and east heading into the overnight. Hour by hour forecast now through the overnight hours. Watch how the model pushes this rain, but it stops right where it is about now. And then as we go towards morning, there will be a redevelopment of yet more showers. So morning sprinkles here in the Fargo-Moorhead area, remaining dry out to the far west, temperatures near 40 for everyone. Midday, the wind picks up. Now in Stutsman County and points west and north into the Devil's Lake Basin, it's very dry. We have very windy conditions expected. So the fire danger is going to be quite high for our neighbors in western and central portions of North Dakota. Now in the afternoon, a chance for some rain showers once again into portions of central Minnesota, but this system will be on its way out, and by the end of the day, we'll start to see breaks in the clouds for our western counties. A trace to about 1/3 of an inch still expected from the valley and points east as we go into your Friday. Temperatures warmest out to the west of the Red River Valley, where we will see some 50s. 40s elsewhere as we close off the work week on a wet note. And these cranes here enjoying the scenery across the valley. Beautiful shot, Sherry. Thanks for uploading. Now look at your planning forecast. As we talked about, rain on Friday will be exiting late, leaving us with great conditions for the weekend. Near 60. Get out and enjoy. Sunday night, things change with that storm we talked about. First alert weather days on Monday. Precipitation all day. Rain here in the south, likely changing over to snow by night. Some accumulation, particularly in our northern counties. We'll stay a little on the cool side into the middle of next week. But, you know, much needed moisture on the way. I don't think it matters to those in the central Dakotas whether it falls as rain or snow at this point.
All right. Thanks, Saj.